It seems only yesterday companies were advertising the immense speeds of the 5G with the tech demos and long-distance latency-free robotic surgeries. Now China has reportedly pushed the industry even further forward by launching the first 10G broadband network in the futuristic megacity, that is Zhongzhang. Also, Huawei and China Unicom collaborated to deliver the service using 50G PON technology. The new broadband technology will enable the incredibly smooth connection, allowing the users to download large movie files in seconds and stream games via the cloud with almost zero latency or input lag. Also, more than that, China believes that the 10G will enable the interconnected smart city of the future. China's new 10G network, China's Zhongzhang, and was also devised as the new tech innovation hub and a high-tech metropolis. The urban district of Zhongzhang, also located 70 miles southwest of Beijing, was first introduced to the world in 2017 as a visionary project under the patronage of the President Xi Jinping. Now it is the location of the fastest internet network in the world, according to the report from the MSN. 10G connectivity allows for download speed of the 10 gigabytes per second. This will enable incredibly fast download speeds and smooth 8K video streaming. It also unlocks a suite of futuristic applications. These include the self-driving cars network, online virtual reality, that is VR, and the augmented reality, that is AR spaces, and powerful smart city application. High-speed internet will also allow for the innovation in the large language model, that is LLM, and other AI application. Zhongzhang futuristic metropolis city, or a deserted ghost town. Let's see. China has long sought for the world to be the technology innovation sector leader, and in the 10G broadband rollout in the Zhongzhang is the part of the worldwide strategy and initiative. The service is likely to be expanded to the other areas in the near future. China describes the district of Zhongzhang as the ideal location to start this rollout. The city was planned with a green, smart, innovative infrastructure at its very core. According to the recent Xinhua report, Zhongzhang was also developed with the 15-minute life circle urban planning concept in mind. The idea behind this concept is that every resident will have their required shopping and leisure that needs in the 15 minutes walk every